man. Well, those flags are whipping around out there this morning. This is up at Sugarloaf, the beach, and you can see them straight out. Winds are howling. And we've got cold temperatures and winds that are between about 20 and 25 miles per hour, and we have frigid wind chills. We're in the single digits right now, getting close to zero or slightly below it in a few spots too. Dress warmly. It's going to sting you. It's going to sting you bad. And while it does get better throughout the day, the wind chill, I mean, it's never great. At the best, it will be feeling like 15 degrees or so this afternoon. And then finally tonight, the wind will settle. So we've got a strong low up in the Maritimes. Winds are ripping around the back side of it out of the west-northwest. This high is building in. We'll see a fair amount of sun today and a fair amount tomorrow. Weak system passes Saturday night, maybe a flurry, but all storms look like misses at this point for the next week or so. So that's in our favor. We've got some quiet times ahead. Mostly clear. The roads are in much better shape for the first time, I feel like, this week. So we'll have a smooth morning commute, but again, ice cold wind for you and really cold temperatures. Mainly sunny for the middle of the day. The winds will remain gusty and temperatures will continue to struggle. They won't get much better than 30 today, but never really feeling like that. Clear and dry for your evening. Whipping wind finally calms down. And with the wind calming down and the sky remaining mostly clear, tonight is going to be another very cold night, dropping into the single digits probably in a lot of spots. The highs today normally are right around 40. Today, about 10 degrees colder than that in Portland, and even colder than that in Bangor, only 26. 27 for Lewiston. A few spots up in the mountains and north will stay in the teens today. Tomorrow, the wind relaxes. The cold is still here. Sunday, we're plotting a storm that's going to travel to our south through the mid-Atlantic with snow all the way down to Washington, D.C., but very little, if any, for us here in northern New England. Following that, though, we get more wind and another Arctic blast to start early next week, where our temperatures will likely be in the 20s and overnight lows will likely be in the single digits. Check out some of the snowfall amounts that are forecasted for places to our south. Be a few inches down along the south coast of New England for Connecticut, Rhode Island, and southeastern Mass, New York City, New Jersey, and then probably like 3 to 6 inches of snow for Washington, D.C. and Baltimore, Maryland, of all places. But as you can see for us through the weekend, this is through Sunday night, there won't be much. There could be some flurries and maybe a dusting here or there, but nothing significant. Marine forecast gale warnings for this wind, gusting to 35 knots, seas 2 to 4 feet. A lot of sunshine today, but windy and cold, and highs in the 20s. Tomorrow, we'll get up close to the freezing mark with partly sunny skies. Won't feel that bad outside. Clouds and some flurries on Sunday, 30 degrees. 20s on Monday, little better on Tuesday, but mostly sunny. Partly sunny on Wednesday, with temperatures beginning to recover into the upper 30s on Wednesday, and hallelujah, we're probably going above 40 degrees.
Oh, what?
For a day or two.
There's a
end of next
week before
week.
Christmas. That's fantastic.
I mean, it is and it isn't, because it's probably going to soften up and melt some snow. And
It'll snow again before. We still got another week to get a little coating or something.
Yeah, hopefully.
You know, let's help me get the ice out of the driveway.
I know.
Take the snow.
I agree.
Get rid of the ice. All right, thank you, sir.